Most people think pull downs are just about building a wide back. And yeah, reverse grip does hit the lats hard, but there's more going on here. I want to talk to you about one of the most underrated exercises I use all the time, and that is the reverse grip pull down. It's one of those rare moves that checks almost every box. And once you try it the way I'm about to show you, you're going to see why I keep this exercise in my regular rotation. Many guys over 50 are looking for exercises they can do to avoid having to do so many sets or so many exercises. And that's the beauty of this reverse grip pull down. Most people think pull downs are just about building a wide back. And yeah, reverse grip does hit the lats hard, but there's more going on here. With the reverse grip pull downs, you're also engaging the biceps, the rear delts, and even the upper traps to a degree. It's one movement that recruits multiple upper body muscles. It's efficient and it's extremely effective. If I had to compare this exercise to the standard overhand grip, this one wins hands down. The reverse grip puts your shoulders in a more natural, stronger position and actually allows for a fuller range of motion. Now, the real magic happens when you dial in all three phases of the lift. The concentric phase, which is the pull down, you want to lead with your elbows and really drive the weight down under control. And then the isometric hold, or the pause or static part of the lift, where you're holding it at the bottom and squeezing for a couple of seconds. And finally, the eccentric phase, where you don't just let the weight go up, but you fight it back and you try to control it on the way back up, at least doing this on the last few reps of a set. One tip I will give you is to eliminate as much body swing or momentum as possible. Oftentimes, guys will use their body to help to drive the weight, and you don't want to do that. You're not trying to just move the weight, you're trying to activate the muscles. That only happens when you're in control of the motion. Another thing I love about this exercise is how it fits perfectly with my 3-set drop method. That is my warm-up set, my one working set to near failure, and then my one final set, which is a drop set where I go to failure on the last 2 rounds of that set. Because this exercise hits so many muscle groups, unless you hit all 3 phases of the lift, you get in, get the job done, and then you move on. It's extremely efficient. Tell me in the comments if you currently do the reverse grip pull down. Let me know what your experience has been with it. And if you're not already doing reverse grip pull downs, give them a real shot. Lock in your form, stay strict, and I think you're going to be surprised at how much you get out of this one move. Now, this isn't my standalone biceps exercise. For that, I do lean on the same reverse grip pull downs. However, I do it at a much closer grip, roughly 12 inches apart with my hands for biceps. That'll be coming in another video. But this still activates my biceps, and it will yours as well. And for those guys that are trying to get several muscle groups worked and you're wanting to just grow overall, this exercise is a very underrated exercise. So you want to try this out if you can do it. All right, guys, I appreciate you checking in. I want you to be sure to like this video if you will. Subscribe if you haven't done that. I'm going to catch you on the next video. And until then, you go get fit.